The most requested modification for any of my video projects has been a micro adjuster for this horizontal router table, and it makes sense. I can raise and lower the pivot arm to adjust the height of the bit, but it's very difficult to make minute adjustments accurately. So today's project will be that micro adjuster, and it doesn't take much material. A few wood screws, 2 small blocks of wood that would probably otherwise end up on the burn pile, and 2 special bits of hardware. This is a 4-inch long hex bolt, and notice it's fully threaded. It's 5/16 in diameter too. And this goes by a couple of names, either cross dowel or barrel nut. And essentially, it's a short length of metal rod with a threaded hole through it, and this one fits my hex bolt. These should be available at any hardware store, but this will be under one of those 2 names, cross dowel or barrel nut. And I'm going to start by drilling a hole in this small block of wood. This is 1.5 inches long, 1 inch wide, and 3/4 of an inch thick, so I'll drill in the 1 inch wide face for my cross dowel. And the cross dowel is just under 1/2 inch in diameter, so I'm going to use a 31/64 inch drill bit. And if you don't have one of these, a 1/2 inch diameter bit will work. It'll just be a little bit looser fit in the hole. And I'm not going to drill in this small piece of wood at the drill press, just too dangerous in case the bit grabs. So I'll start with a longer piece, and I'll drill for my cross dowel. Now I need a 5/16 inch hole through here for my 5/16 inch bolt, but the bolt needs to be able to tilt a little bit each direction. So I'll start with a hole here at the drill press with a 5/16 inch bit, but I'll finish it at the router table, making an elongated slot. And now I can fasten this along the bottom edge of the pivot arm. And the short length of 2x2 will be the bearing surface. I'll screw it along the bottom edge of the case, and that's what the bolt's going to strike against. But I'm afraid the tip of the bolt will just chew a hole in this soft wood. So I'll counterbore a hole in it for this brass screw, and that will be my wear point. Looks like it's going to work well. Let me get it set up for a cut. Here I've got a side view of it. The adjuster is here. The bit will rise up over here. And I can raise it slowly, or I can raise it quickly. Let me get set up for that cut. Too tight. Just a little bit. Just like that. Guys, thanks for watching.